At SoLAcc, we breed heroes. No, not the cape-wearing kind, the everyday kind of heroes, the groundbreaking kind. The ones that repair our oil rigs, build our vehicles, and ensure structures and pipes are sound. The kind of heroes we breed are the ones with a passion for what they do. Our welding program lets you master real-world skills in a hands-on environment, where you'll learn various metal arc, flux-cored, MIG and TIG welding techniques and safety procedures, interpret blueprints, and much more. If you're interested in welding as a hobby or would like to enhance your current skills, we also offer courses for you to learn basic, intermediate, and advanced welding techniques. Once you graduate, you'll understand the best practices of the industry and be steps away from beginning your career as a hero. Whether you want to work in transportation, shipbuilding, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas extraction, or aerospace, SoLAcc will prepare you for life as a welder after graduation. We believe the best way to create heroes is to give our students knowledge that empowers them, transparency so they know what to expect, and motivation to drive them to be the best around. And our small class sizes, low tuition rates, and multiple campuses make becoming a hero even easier. So, what are you waiting for? Be your own solution seeker, groundbreaker, world changer. Be your own hero at SoLAcc. Visit our programs page to learn more about our welding program at SoLAcc.